Hello there, we are continuing with our Shona Nouns series, and this time around I am looking at weather phenomena, mamiriro ekunze. Right, rain is called mvura, mvura. Rainbow is mutswi, mutswi. Persistent drizzle or persistent rain is called mubvumbi, mubvumbi. A storm is called dutu, dutu. Hail is called chimvuramabwe, chimvuramabwe. Wind is called mepo, mepo. Thunder is mabanangana, mabanangana. Lightning is many, many. Cloud is gore, that's singular, and the plural is makore. A flood is mafashamu emvura, mafashamu emvura. Drought is nzara, nzara. Last but not least, mist or fog is mute, mute. Here's our summary. Rain is mvura, rainbow mutswi. Persistent rain or drizzle is mubvumbi. Storm is dutu. Hail chimvuramabwe. Wind mepo. Thunder mabanangana. Lightning many. Cloud gore or makore. Flood mafasha memvura. Drought nzara. Mist or fog is mute. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next recording. Goodbye.